So there are actually three major ways that you can use Claude Code. So the first one is inside of the Claude Desktop application. So you just select the code tab and then you get access to Claude Code, and you can select the folder that you want to work in and just give it instructions, maybe build your web application. This one is great if you are a non-technical person and you're really just getting started with Claude Code. For example, I used it recently to work with Remotion and just create like a motion graphic video, which was really cool. Now the second way to use Claude Code is inside of the terminal. Essentially, you just go to claude.ai and then you copy this command, run it, and Claude Code will be installed, and you just run the Claude command. And there you have access to Claude and you can just really start chatting with Claude. This one is for people who are like technical, and even though I'm technical, to be honest, I don't really like to work inside of Claude terminal. I prefer to use it inside of a code editor, because inside of the code editor I can see the files that Claude is modifying or the files that Claude has created. So if you want to use Claude inside of an IDE, all you need to do is just download maybe VS Code. For me, I'm using Antigravity. Inside of your code editor, go to extensions, search for Claude, you see Claude for VS Code. So you just click on it and install it, and once you install it, you just start a new session and you just start talking with Claude just like you would in the terminal or inside of the desktop app. And there's still other options to use Claude, but inside of the web app you need to connect to a GitHub repo. Claude can then work directly in that GitHub repo. I don't really fancy this because I can't really see what Claude is doing unless I go to GitHub. This is really great like if you're on the go, right, and you want to give Claude a task to do for you. It's also great because you can also use the Claude remote control, connect it to your local computer while you're not there, and work with it. And yeah, you can also create routines. So routines are like tasks that are scheduled, that run on a schedule. There's also the Claude mobile app. You can use the Claude remote control to control your Claude Code while you're away from your PC, receive commands, approve and accept. It's great. So if you're on the go,